Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Stiebel Eltron water heater step by step.
Step 1. Turn off power. Go to your circuit breaker panel. Switch off the breaker connected to your Stiebel Eltron water heater. This ensures safety while resetting. Step 2. Remove the cover panel. Use a screwdriver to remove the front cover panel of the heater. Keep the screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. Step 3. Locate the reset button inside the unit. Look for a small red or black reset button, usually on the thermostat or near the heating elements. This is the safety cutoff switch that trips when the unit overheats. Step 4. Press the reset button. Firmly press the reset button. You may hear a click, meaning it has been reset. Step 5. Reattach the cover. Put the front cover panel back on. Secure it tightly with the screws. Step 6. Restore power. Go back to your breaker panel. Turn on the circuit breaker for the water heater. The unit should now restart and heat water normally.